Hey guys, I am just going to show you another lesson today. I know I showed you what a translation was on Seesaw. I want to show you one more on this today because you do need to do a translation on Monday for your homework. And while I know I told you that a slide, it's like also known as a slide, which means it just doesn't turn or doesn't flip or doesn't do anything. Sometimes they'll be very specific on how they want you to move it, like up to, over to. So I'm going to do a quick drawing right here. Right here, right here. I'm going to make my right triangle again. There and there and there. And now if they asked you to move this, to translate it up 4, I'm going to make it with a different one. Let's do red. If they asked you to do it up 4, that means every point needs to go up 4. So this point right here would need to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's where it would go. And this point right here would need to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's where that would go. And this point right here would need to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And basically, you have just slid this exact shape up 4. Sometimes it might say up 4 and then to the right 4. And if it had done that, then this one would have gone up 4 and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And this would have gone over 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one would have gone over 1, 2, 3, 4. And then that's what that would have looked like. So same shape, didn't turn, doesn't do anything. It just moves up the same amount. So at every point goes up 4, or if it said up 2. So you're going to be doing that on Monday. And then you're going to be working on rotations the following day. So I want to show you what a rotation is, and then we'll pretty much be ready to take the test again, you guys. Let's do all this right here. Okay, so on the test, I don't know if you guys remember, there was, you were supposed to rotate a shape around a point. And that means the shape it is going to turn right or left, but it's not going to, one of the points is going to stay put. And it just turns on that. So I'm going to try it with this, and I'll do so we've got there, there, and there. Sorry, that's not totally neat. But if I'm asking you to rotate that clockwise, that means it's going to go this way, right? From a certain point, and we're going to make it on this point right now, that means this shape is basically just going to like fall over to the right, okay? And so the easiest way for me to do that is from this point, I'll do this with blue. I like to, so it's got to be from right here, right? The shape is going to turn. So we're going to find out how high, because this is obviously going to go up to the top point. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So from here, it would have to be 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And then from this point to this point is going to be this direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to fall to right there, right here, right there, just like that. So it's not going to move from that point. It's going to stay right there, and it's just going to fall over. So basically that point went to right here. Does that make sense? And then it would again go this way, and it would always stay on this point. It's never going to leave that point, and that's called a rotation. It just means the shape is going to rotate or turn around a certain point. Okay, so that's called a rotation, and it can go backwards or frontwards. So tomorrow you will be doing it might be today, I can't remember how I'm putting this lesson up for you, but you're going to be doing a lesson where you are figuring out whether it was a translation, which is a slide, a reflection, which is like looking in the mirror, or a rotation, where a shape turned on a certain point, left or right, clockwise or counterclockwise. And that is all.